So nobody drives the day quite like President Trump. He announced today a sweeping crime and homelessness crackdown in Washington, D.C., temporarily putting the feds in charge of the Metropolitan Police for 30 days. He is also deploying 800 National Guard troops to the streets. This is all part of his plan to liberate our nation's capital after a string of violent episodes that have left residents on edge. There was that brutal attack on a former DOJ staffer, and just this past weekend, shots rang out at a big gathering of teenagers in the Navy Yard neighborhood.
This is Liberation Day in D.C., and we're going to take our capital back. You're reporters, and I understand a lot of you tend to be on the liberal side, but you don't want to get mugged and raped and shot and killed. And you all know people and friends of yours that happened. This dire public safety crisis.
And listen, him saying that about liberals, hey, I know you liberals don't like that. Not all liberals are like that, okay? Not all Democrats are like that. There's Democrats out there that still have this old school Democratic ideology, but are trying to fight back to this new far left ideology that's happening today with the Democratic Party. I understand that there's still people out there. And you guys still have an opportunity to join the Republican Party until the far left decides to come closer to the middle and get their wild ideas out of their minds and come together with Republicans to make this country better by helping actual American citizens in this country.
This stems directly from the abject failures of the city's local leadership, the radical left.
U.S. Attorney for D.C., Janine Pirro, vowing to change the laws that protect violent young offenders.
We need to go after the D.C. Council and their absurd laws. The president is going to do everything we need to do to make sure that these emboldened criminals understand we see you, we're watching you, and we're going to change the law to catch you. These kids understand. I can't arrest them. I can't prosecute them. They go to family court. And they get to do yoga and arts and crafts. Enough. It changes today.
And D.C.'s Mayor Muriel Bowser.
I don't know if you guys saw this. I noticed this because I seen this last night, and I noticed that it almost looked like President Trump wanted to stop her from speaking and saying that. Let's play that back.
These kids understand. I can't arrest them. I can't prosecute them. They go to...
So he puts his finger up. I feel like he wanted to stop her, nudge her or something, but knowing that cameras and everybody in the room is watching, he wanted to hold back. This is my opinion on this. But her saying, we can't prosecute you, is basically letting people know that, hey, right now you can get away with doing whatever you want. But in actuality, no. They're working on changing the law, so you can be behind bars. They got to do some more punishments that do a lot of preventative measures so these people that commit crimes never do them again. That's the point that we're trying to do. Because there's no point on keep sending people to the jail every other year. Okay, you commit a crime, go to jail. You spend a year in jail, you're out, you do it again. You know, this is what I'm talking about. So that's what I mean about harsher punishments. And you know, the administration, I really like U.S. Attorney Pirro because she is someone that's very blunt. I've listened to her quite a few times in interviews and her public speaking, and she lays it out. She's all about transparency. And I hope she's consistent with this now that she's part of the administration, because that's something that the American people, and I've heard a lot of different YouTubers talk about this, how they're starting to lose some hope on some of these people that are in the administration because of what I believe is the corruption party that's kind of pulling their strings to change certain things. We're still waiting on the damn Epstein files, and I'm not going to forget about that. Let me know what you guys think about this, and in the comments below, like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Till next time, peace out, everybody.